investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Education is not preparation for life, but it is the life itself. Excelero, striving towards excellence. As university undergraduates, gaining the industrial exposure is of vital importance. Throughout a period of 4 years, we learn many subjects in our degree program. But if we fail to apply that knowledge successfully in the corporate world, the effort of learning so much is not of use. For new graduates to survive in the fast-paced world, universities must focus on the industries that they train their students to work in. There are great benefits to gain from an industry-focused education that concentrate on both academic and practical skills. This exposure stands as a competitive advantage for graduates to excel in their career. Excelero is a major step taken by the Business Management Student Association of Rajarata University of Sri Lanka to upskill the undergraduates in the best way to shape their path in achieving their career goals. With the support of bunch of qualified industrial specialists, this workshop series will be a good opportunity to gain a comprehensive knowledge about the industry and its practices. We welcome all our brothers and sisters to join with us in this journey towards excellence. Thank you.